been day 5 in quarantine, and I know a lot of us gals out there are probably freaking out like, oh my god, where do I buy my beauty products? I'm out. I've actually come up with this tutorial to show you some things around the house that are natural, that will give you a natural look. You can still feel beautiful and not have to worry about all those stores being closed. Everything is basically at home. So first off, you want to start with a clean face. I know with my skin color, I'm Middle Eastern, so my skin is very olive. So it's kind of hard to find a match, but I was lucky enough to find this. This is actually olive color. So I think this will actually look really nice on my skin. To apply it, I think the best method is this spatula here. Yep, you could use like a small one. I recommend, depending on how big your face is, that's the size you'll want to go with. I'm just gonna apply this evenly. See, I think that's a really good match. That color is just totally olivey.
It's natural. So you just want to apply it all over your face. This is like the perfect foundation.
And there you have it. We want to do some highlighting. So I actually found some Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's got a little shimmer to it, so I think this is perfect. You'll want to put it on the cheek areas here.
Just to kind of highlight your cheeks there. Put a little bit on the forehead. Highlight the nose.
My highlighter's falling off. That's okay. And then your chin. So right now I have the foundation and my highlighter. I think that really does bring out my eyes. Next we're gonna do the eyebrows, because that everybody freaks out about their eyebrows looking on point. This is what I used. The Oreos double stuffed is really all I could find. I kind of ate all my chocolate chip cookies yesterday. Probably would have been a better match, but we're gonna see how this works out. You're gonna want to separate your double stuffed cookie, and you could do double stuffed, you could do regular stuffed, whatever. We're only using the cookie base for the eyebrows, and we're just going to split it in half. Well, it's not really half, I got some crumbs here. That's okay, we're gonna utilize all of it, and we're just going to, there we go. I know the bigger the eyebrows, the better. That's the look for 2020. Let me get my second eyebrow on here. Perfect. Next, we're gonna do the lips, because you definitely want to have some kind of color to your lips. Otherwise it, you know, doesn't really look natural. We're trying to go with the natural quarantine look. And for this look, I actually chose Smucker's Boysenberry. You can see that there. Beautiful color. I just thought that would be the best shade for me. And we're gonna apply this lip color with just like a household knife, also known as a butter knife. Don't get this confused with a steak knife, because I don't want you cutting your lips. That would be ridiculous. So we're just gonna take like a healthy amount right there, and we're just gonna, oh, I can already see the color is just beautiful. It's totally natural.
Under the top here.
Oh my god, my eyebrow fell off. It's okay, we just stick that back on. We're gonna go back to that double stuffed cookie, and we see that we have this stuffing. That's great, because we're actually just gonna, if you don't have teeth whitener, problem solved. And now this is your everyday quarantine look. I hope you like it. And don't worry if you go outdoors, you know, the rule is you gotta stay 6 feet away from everyone, so they won't even be able to tell. It looks completely natural. All right guys, happy quarantining. I'll see you guys later.